Car overheating as temperatures rise in spring. That's one of the most common seasonal problems, and it's usually easy to diagnose. After winter, your cooling system goes through wear, leaks, and buildup, and once it gets warmer, the system can't keep up. Sign number 1. Your temperature gauge slowly creeps up. This happens because cold weather can cause the thermostat to stick partially closed, restricting coolant flow. The simple fix? Replace the thermostat. It's a common and relatively inexpensive repair. Sign number 2. Low coolant levels. Winter can cause small leaks in hoses or seals, and if your coolant is low, your engine can't regulate temperature properly. The simple fix: check your reservoir and radiator, top off the coolant, and inspect for leaks. Sign number 3. Overheating while sitting still. This happens when debris buildup or electrical issues prevent the cooling fan from pulling air through the radiator. The simple fix: check if the fan turns on and inspect your fuses, relays, or the fan motor. Sign number 4. Overheating while driving. Salt, dirt, and debris can clog the radiator fins, reducing heat dissipation and blocking airflow. The simple fix: carefully clean the radiator with water to remove the buildup. Sign number 5. Your heater blows cold air while the engine overheats. Low coolant or air pockets prevent heat from reaching the heater core. The simple fix: bleed the cooling system and refill the coolant properly. Sign number 6. A visible coolant leak under your car. Hoses, radiators, or seals weaken during winter and start leaking in the spring. The simple fix: locate the leak source and replace the damaged components immediately. Sign number 7. The engine runs hot after just a short drive. A failing water pump or a blockage prevents coolant from moving efficiently. The simple fix: inspect your water pump operation and replace it if needed. Sign number 8. Overheating with no visible leak. This can be caused by internal failures like head gasket issues. The simple fix: perform a pressure test early to catch internal leaks before they cause major damage. Sign number 9. Temperature spikes then drops. Blockages or failing components cause inconsistent airflow and uneven cooling cycles. The simple fix: give your system a full inspection, including the thermostat and radiator. Most spring overheating issues come from low coolant, restricted airflow, or failing components. Catching these early saves your engine. Overheating can cause serious engine damage. Fix it early before it turns into a major repair. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.